Hi there, guys. Coming back at you with another video. And this time I want to talk about a few items that I have. And I ordered this Mccart nail extension gel kit. I've wanted this one for a while, and I can't really show the whole box. This is just a box. This is the kit that came in the box, and I did order this from Amazon. But since I ordered this, and I have another item that I want to show in this video. Since I ordered this, I have become a ambassador for Mccart. And I will leave all of my information in the description box below. And I have a link, a promo link, that if you order using my promo code, you'll get 15% off of your order. This is ordering from the Mccart website, not Amazon. This is coming from the Mccart website. And I'll leave a link for that. The promo link and the promo code will be in the description box. And you can also see my information on my Instagram. Okay. Now, I'm not going to do a review of this. I just want to show what comes in this kit. This is the Mccart Quick Gel Nail Building Kit. And this is a builder enhancement. So these are not poly gels. These are builder gels. All these are builder gels. It comes with 12 builder gels. 12 different colors of builder gel. And I'm going to hold it up closer so you can see the different ones that come. They're numbered. And I'll go in depth with this a little bit later. And it also comes with a base coat, a top coat, a file, and it comes with the brush. This is not a polygel brush, since these are not polygels. These are builder gels. And it comes with nail forms to use. And I've wanted this kit for a while. Okay. I also ordered, and I ordered this from Amazon also. This is the Mccart. It's the LED nail lamp. It's rechargeable, it's cordless, and it has a little 3 LEDs in there. And I'm sure you see one person that uses this one a lot is Nail by Nikki. And by me watching her videos, I really did want this. And Femi Beauty uses this also. But this is it. And it's really, it's not, you know, things in videos look bigger than they really are. And it's got a 30-second. Let me see if I can show you. It has a 30-second and a 60-second. And this should be charged. Oh, that's right. I forgot. You have a button over here to turn it on. And then you see it flashing on 30 seconds. And that's it on, off. And if you hold it down, it'll do for the 60 seconds. And then off. And then you can turn it off on the side over here. But I think this is so cute. Like I said, I haven't had an opportunity to use it yet. But it came in this little box from Mccart. And guys, go over to their website, because Mccart has started Afterpay. So now you don't have to pay the full price when you order something on their website. You can order from Afterpay, and you can also use the discount codes when you use Afterpay. So guys, go over there and check them out. Like I said, I will leave the link in the description box below where you can go over there and you can order. And if you use my code, you'll get 15% off of your order. Alright guys, I also got these in, and I ordered these on the Etsy website. And these are the Louis Vuitton. You can see these. I don't know, it may be too close. I got these. And I got these. These are all so beautiful. And all of these came from the same seller on Etsy. And I also ordered these. And all of these came also, guys. I got diamond, Chanel, a crown, a heart, Dior, a butterfly, and these are some water decals also. I ordered from Dipped in Pretty is these designer foils. I ordered some more designer foils from her website. These were out of stock and I was waiting for them to come back in stock. I like the Nike, you know I like the Louis Vuittons, and I love the Gucci. And these are some nice designer nail foils. Have ordered this. I ordered this so that I could use it for taking off, clipping down my acrylic extensions or my gel, builder gel extensions, my poly gel extensions. I ordered this from Amazon, and I will leave the link to all this stuff in the description. And it comes with a little like file, but this is mainly for, it's supposed to be for toenails, but and this is the little case that it comes in. And I'll put it up here so you can see. But those are the things that I have ordered and I have gotten in. And I'm in the process of doing my nails, guys. I have no idea. I've got so many ideas for designs that I want to do. I'm not going to be able to do them all on my hand, so thank God I have two red iguana hands, so I can do plenty of designs. I just got to decide which ones I want to do. All right, guys, that is it for this video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please share these videos, guys. Let's help each other out. All right, bye-bye.